plant-based?
Yo! What is up, Plantstas? It's your boy, Jesse Shredder, and here we're making a quick vegan Alfredo. Hold your vegan horses. Let's rewind that for a second so you could see the ingredients that we're starting with. So we got 3 ingredients and 3 ingredients only. This is a very simple recipe for vegan Alfredo. We're starting with the ready-made pasta from Barilla. We got field roast chow cheese, and we got culinary coconut milk from So Delicious. Now, the coconut milk gives it a little bit of a sweet taste, so if you prefer a non-sweet taste, you could use almond milk, cashew milk, or you could even use a vegan butter. Step 1. Open and pour pasta into the pan. Not to be confused with Japan. Step 2. Pour coconut milk over pasta into the pan and then stir it up. Yeah, stir it real nice. Make sure it's mixed all around. Make sure that pasta is covered in coconut milk. Vegan cheese time, vegan cheese time. Take that vegan cheese and slice it up nice. And then dice it up nice. And then pour it in to the pasta. Stir it up. And bada boom. Realist fettuccine in the room. How you eatin'?